Greetings, welcome back to my channel. Here we're at the 8-bit fix bench, and today's pickup is an Atari STe. This just got cleaned outside after it's completely disassembled. I also picked up a brand new copy of Substation for the Falcon and STe only. Sealed, baby. Anyway, it's completely disassembled, and this is what we do, is I clean the motherboard with Q-tips and rubbing alcohol, give it a good clean. I reseat all the chips that can be reseated, including these guys, but these guys can be very a pain in the ass because you can crack these old cases. Pop these out, clean them, put them back in. And I'm going to put new capacitors in it. I just rounded up capacitors for the power supply here. So these I all have all these except for that one on hand, and it's on the way. And these two guys, these two main ones are on the way. But yeah, it gets a complete clean disassemble. Got to take the floppy drive apart, clean it. Hopefully it works. I think it is a double-sided, double-density drive. So that's good. 4 megs of RAM, good. I'm about halfway through cleaning it right now. Still on capacitor roundup. Takes time. The disassemble took about 15 minutes because some of the screws didn't want to come out. But yeah, it's an STe, baby. Don't find too many of these anymore. I think this is like my 4th or 5th one, I'm not sure. But they're pretty rare. And thanks to Ben at Bravo Sierra Computers for this one. I paid a price for it, but it should be fine. He said he was testing it with the diagnostic cartridge and it quit on him. So I'm going to give it some tender love and care. Consider this a restoration video #1. So I'm still going to clean it. I'm waiting for these caps to come in. I didn't have them. And then I'll verify its operation. It's got the older TOS, STe TOS in it, so I'll verify its operation. Then I will order the TOS. I made that mistake in the past, doing too many things at once and not verifying anything. I have learned that lesson, so I just go in steps now. So I'll clean it all up, cap it, verify its operation, order some new TOS, and then yeah, hopefully everything should work, and I should have an update video in about a week for this one. This is going to get recapped like today. I'm just going to go ahead and get it. I usually recap them when I have all the caps at once, but I'm bored and it's my birthday, so I'm just going to go ahead and recap this today and wait for this one to come in. That big guy right there. Anyways, STe restoration #1. I should have done these types of videos a long time ago. Didn't think about it until now. Anyway, the rest of the case is outside. The back of it is sprayed with laundry stain remover, OxyClean. It had a stain over here in one of the corners, so it's out in the sunshine now. Out back out there in the hot sun with OxyClean laundry stain remover. Works every time on every plastic, Amigas, you name it. Works on everything. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll have another update video here from the desk in a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. Wish me luck. Take care.